Today's lesson is Chapter 11, Lesson 7, on pages 839 through 844. Our objective is I can convert customary units of capacity. Vocabulary: capacity, cup, fluid ounces, pint, quart, gallon. Question 1. Capacity is the measurement of how much a container can blank. Question 2. 9 cups of water equals blank fluid ounces.
Units of capacity. Capacity is the measure of how much a container can hold. Here are some commonly used units of capacity. We can use these relationships to convert from one unit of capacity to another. There are 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup, and there are 2 cups in 1 pint. 2 pints are in 1 quart, and 4 quarts are in 1 gallon. Sandra tries to drink 64 ounces of water each day. Yesterday she drank 9 cups of water. Did she drink enough water to meet her goal? Use the customary units of capacity to solve the problem. Let's begin by setting up the conversion. We need to know how many fluid ounces are in 9 cups. First, find how many fluid ounces are in 1 cup. 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. Since larger units, cups, are being converted into smaller units, fluid ounces, we need to multiply. Since 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces, multiply 9 by 8. 9 times 8 equals 72. So Sandra drank 72 fluid ounces of water yesterday. Since 72 is greater than 64, she drank enough water to meet her goal.
Okay, in your book, I am on page 839. So remember, capacity is the measure of how much a container can hold. So it is a measurement just like length and width, but of how much goes into something. So this was the example from the video. So remember, this customary units of capacity chart would be really helpful. So remember, this is on page 839. So let's look at an example on the next page. So if we're converting quarts into pints, so first we have to figure out how many quarts can be made from 7 pints. So we know we're turning pints into quarts here. So in this case, we're going from a smaller unit. Pints are smaller than quarts. We're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, quarts. So we are going to divide. So we know that there are 2 pints in 1 quart. So we need to then divide 7 pints by 2 so that we can find out how many quarts there are in 7 pints. So that doesn't divide evenly, but if you work it out with long division, you would have 3, remainder 1, and we know that with that remainder we can put it over our divisor of 2. So really there is 3.5 quarts. Alright, so look back at these 2 questions and answer them in the form, please.